Government facilities such as defense, correctional, and administrative are critical to national infrastructure. These public sector organizations need flexible, multi-layered security that protects people and supports compliance, rapid response, and secure data management. With over 35 years of experience and over 150,000 installations worldwide, InterRange delivers complete, end-to-end security solutions. Whether it's securing sensitive departments, managing high volumes of personnel, or enabling centralized oversight across multiple sites, our systems are built to support the unique challenges faced by public sector organizations.
Access control is fundamental to protecting sensitive government environments. InterRange supports flexible credentialing, such as access cards, fobs, mobile credentials, and biometrics identifiers. For higher security zones, multi-factor authentication ensures an enhanced layer of protection. Every access event is captured in detailed audit trails of who accessed what, when, and how, with real-time notifications alerting security teams or first responders when events unfold. Temporary access is easily managed through built-in contractor credentialing tools, ensuring third-party workers are both compliant with health and safety protocols and traceable throughout their time on site. With the capacity to support thousands of users and door points, InterRange is designed to scale effortlessly with the size and complexity of any government facility. A forced door alarm or any other event triggered within the system can automatically trigger video verification, alert security teams, and update access logs to ensure a fast and coordinated response. These capabilities work in unison to create a secure, auditable, and responsive access environment, tailored to the demanding needs of modern government infrastructure.
Modern video management systems are proactive tools for detection, analysis, and response. Through intelligent AI features, video footage becomes a valuable source of real-time data. These analytics can detect abnormal movement, identify loitering, or restricted area breaches. When an access control event occurs, such as a forced entry or a door held open, the corresponding video is instantly available, enabling rapid visual verification and more informed decision-making. Automated system responses can be triggered from system activity, video data sources, behavior patterns, or rule-based triggers. The detection of unwanted events can automatically initiate a site lockdown, trigger active deterrent features, such as lighting or audio deterrents, activate mass notifications to staff, and send alerts to monitoring centers or on-site security personnel. These automation activities improve response times and reduce reliance on manual monitoring, allowing teams to focus on critical decisions. By transforming video into an active part of the security ecosystem, InterRange empowers government agencies with a more responsive, coordinated, and intelligent approach to threat detection and incident management.
InterRange unifies access control, video, alarms, automation, and 130+ integrations into a single, unified interface, making system management faster and more effective. Our open framework supports seamless integration with other leading security technologies, creating a flexible ecosystem that enhances interoperability with legacy systems and future upgrades. Centralized control transforms multi-site management. From a single dashboard, operators can view live alarms, video feeds, user activity, and system status across all connected sites via schematic maps. This improves coordination, speeds up response times, and reduces administrative overhead. By unifying systems and enabling real-time oversight, InterRange helps governments respond with agility, ensuring continuity and complete control across complex environments.
InterRange empowers governments with a smarter, more integrated approach to security. Our unified platform brings together the critical technologies needed to secure facilities, protect personnel, and manage operations, all behind a single pane of glass.
From municipal buildings to high-security networks, InterRange delivers the flexibility, scalability, and system intelligence needed to safeguard public sector government facilities, now and into the future.